Hi guys, this video is on how to install the stable Miui 13 for your Redmi K40, Poco F3 or Mi 11X. The build is released for Redmi K40, the Chinese edition, but can also be flashed on Poco F3 and Mi 11X. So you have to remove all your password and security and remove your Google accounts, remove your Mi account, and you need your bootloader unlocked. You need to have these both files, the Orange Fox unofficial build and the official MIUI 13. And now you have to reboot to recovery. Click on reboot, then press the power up button. Okay, we have booted to TWRP. Wait for it to go inside. Now go to wipe, advanced wipe, and wipe the Huawei card cache. Swipe to wipe. Now go to install. Go to the place where you have downloaded your Orange Fox recovery. Just don't select anything and swipe to confirm flash. Okay, it says rebooting to recovery, so wait. It will automatically reboot to Orange Fox. We are using Orange Fox recovery because it's the only recovery which can be decrypting Android 12 currently. Okay, we are in the Orange Fox recovery. Yeah, now go to wipe, Dalvik card cache and swipe to wipe. Yeah, now click on the home button, go to the folds and go to the place where you have downloaded your MIUI 13 ROM. Now click on the ROM, then don't select anything except this and just swipe to install. Now we have to be flashing the Orange Fox recovery again so that it don't get replaced with the stock meme recovery. These failed to mount errors can be ignored. Okay, now go to reboot and select recovery. Now we have booted to the Orange Fox recovery. Now we can go to, okay wait, there's some touch issues. Okay, now go to wipe, format data, type in yes. Okay, now reboot system. The first boot is going to take some long time, so don't panic. So guys, the Miui 13 ROM is booted and everything is in Chinese. So you just select this and put the language to English so that we can understand. Okay, let me just set up. Okay guys, the ROM has booted. I've set up everything. So this is how the new Miui ROM looks. And this is, as you can see, it's Miui 13 and it is based on Android 12. Let me show you. So that is all guys, this is on how to install the Miui 13. So please like, share and subscribe. Bye.